Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 15 of the Adobe Muse tutorial series. Today we're going to look at how to edit slideshows inside of Adobe Muse. So in order to make some slideshow to put in the web page, what you can simply do is you can go to the widget library over here. You can also access it through widget library from the Windows menu right here. So let's just go over here and see the slideshow folder over here. So on the slideshow folder, you can see that there are a lot of the slideshow options from basics to thumbnails to lightbox to full screen, whatever you want. So you can bring in anyone and just drag it on to the main timeline just like this. And the thing about the slideshow is that you can now get like three default images which you can replace easily to add in other images right here. So now in order to add images, just click on the arrow right here. And then over here from the arrow, you go to add images right here in the slideshow options. So go to the slideshow option right there. And then you can have any number of slideshows right here. For in my case, I'm going to use pictures, the to edit two images right there. Just open that up. Alright. And once you do that, what happens is that two of the images are brought in the slideshow right here. So if you were to click back, you can see that two of my images are there. You can alternatively also scale the size, and the image actually will resize accordingly, as you can see there. And also you can place this anywhere you want. So you can replace this over here. Let's say, for example, this is my flower one, this is my flowers, and then just click on next, and then these are my books. Alright. So that is how you can edit the slideshows as well. And you can also rearrange. If you double click it, you can rearrange the picture just like this to show up however you want it to. So that's how you can fully customize what you want to show to the audience just like this. Alright, there you go. So now in my case, I want the left arrow to be here, and then right arrow to be here, just like this. Alright, there you go. And then I want to delete, maybe I do not want to delete the number. I want to keep it right over here at the bottom. I can even change the color of the filling over here to, let's say, like yellow, and there you go, the colors are changed. So you can see that you can fully customize these as you want. So you can see that the slideshow is there. If you were to click on the arrow, you can see that you can adjust the transition speed, autoplay, and resume after. So you can add in, so transition speed is 0.5 seconds as per now, autoplay is 3.5 seconds, and resume after 3 seconds. So let me just change that to 2 seconds each, and then it'll be changed to 2 seconds. So now I'm going to preview page in browser, and once I do that, you can actually see that this has now been converted into a very beautiful slideshow. So this is previewing the page right here. So let it load just like that. Alright, it's loading. Alright. Okay, so the web page is generated, and you can see that the slideshow is there, and it will switch back and forth to the images just like that. You can click the arrows to switch between the photos just like this, and you can simply create JavaScript slideshows quite easily just like that inside of Adobe Muse. So you save a lot of time in coding. Similarly, what you can do is you can bring in other types of let's say full screen slideshow like these. So you can add in images over there, select both of them, press open, and then it'll select the images just like that. So it's loading, and you can see that now you have a full screen slideshow. So let's just preview page in browser. It takes a bit of time to generate the code. Alright, there you go. So you can see that you now have a full screen slider over there. Let me just click that. Alright, so you got a very full screen slider just like that, and you can see that this is a full screen slideshow. So you can easily create interactive elements inside of Adobe Muse, like slideshows inside without coding at all. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.